Hey, this is Sean Cole for Sean Cole Enterprises. What you're looking at here is the back office to Finish Line Network app. It's a new free app where you can sign in for free and you can start advertising Finish Line Network. I've had it for a couple hours now, and as you can see, I've earned 230 points silver by advertising their app and getting the word out and let people know about Finish Line Network. It takes you through. It's pretty fun. They give you points for each step that you take, that you complete. It's a good deal. I enjoy it. You see they have some funnels here that they give you. You can take a look at it. And it takes you to that funnel system. There's a video. Lets people sign up for the boot camp, for the training. You can store leads. You have to manually enter them. I haven't manually entered any yet. I'll get to that a little later. Quick replies. It gives you templates that you can use. You just click on one, see what it is. Edit. And that gives you for SMS text message. Hey, just reaching out to you, let you know they received your info. For your quick replies, you can copy and paste. We're still trying to connect. It's been a while. Received your info. Let's connect. Quick replies. Scripts. Different templates for sales you can use. And coaching along with it. So it gives you a whole lot for free already. And you figure if they're giving you this much for free, imagine what the when it gets up live and running out of pre-launch mode and you could get in, imagine how much better that's going to be if they're giving you this type of quality here for free. Look at this. I mean, this is amazing stuff they're giving you for free on this app. So I'm going to tell you this. Jump in. Like I said, they are teaching you how to be an online marketer. If you're looking to get into the online marketing field, or if you're in it and you're struggling, you need to sign up. Because like I said, we're starting at the finish line. So you can only go up from there. I mean, man, look at this. Look at this copy. And you get all this for free. This is in the marketing part of the app. And this is pre-built, and you get all this for free that you can use to market and advertise. It gives you PDF. View PDF. You get all this for free. And like I said, if they're giving you this for free, just imagine. Motivation, Mindset 101. Goes over online sales. You're getting all this quality for free. Just for signing up. Now, if you're looking to sign up for free, the links will be in the description. You like the content of my video? These are rebuttals, response to rebuttals that you can use. All this training. I don't have time rebuttal. I don't understand rebuttal. Again, like I said, we're in pre-launch. The links will be in the description of this video. You can reach out to me Sean, 410-929-3390. If you have any questions, sign up today. Get started. Get in while it's still free. Thank you for your time today.